So we're now going to have a look at the third exercise in the third booklet, and that is this one right here. It's a pretty simple shape. It consists of a circle, and has again a distance between the bottom of the shape and the center point of the circle. And the most important thing to get this accurate is to make sure that you put in those guidelines. So I'm going to actually start off though with this with a rectangle of 700. Then I'm going to start with a circle of 900 just to make sure that those shapes overlap correctly. So I'm going to start off by drawing a rectangle 500 by 700. Starting at the origin, drag out 500, 700, and that is that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tape measure tool, and I need to drag a line, a guideline, and I'm going to put it exactly in the center. Now the way I do that is to move up here and move along this line until it tells me, you can see there that it's at 250. I know my width is 500, so I know that that's the midpoint. Okay, so now if I leave my guideline there, I now have a guide to exactly where the center point of this is. Now, if I go back to my sketch, I also need a perpendicular guideline to that one that I just drew, 900 up from the bottom of the shape. So let's do that. Here's my guideline. I think that's somewhere like 900, but I'm going to type just to make it accurate. And there, because that is there and the sketch shows that it's there, I know that I'm roughly correct. And finally what I'm going to do is put in that radius circle of 230. So 230, click on here, make sure that I'm on that intersection that I just defined. Type my radius of 230, and you can see there that we have those two overlapping shapes, and that confirms that that's kind of what the shape does. So I think I'm kind of on the right track here. Right, before I go any further, I'm now going to just put these little rounded shoulders, each of 130, on my shape. And for that, of course, I'm going to use the 2-point arc again. Click on one edge, go down until it turns pink, move until it's pink, type my radius, 130, and there it is. And now I know I'm correct. So over here, same radius, get near the corner but not on the line, double click, and now I have my little shoulders. So get rid of that line, get rid of that line, and all I need then to do is push pull up to the correct thickness, which again is 40. Type done. And that is exercise number 3, done as accurately as it can.